I have these sheets with Titleblock here. Title blocks that are carrying zoning information in the drawing title would have the key plans and filled regions switched on. Those without zoning information would leave the key plans invisible. The key plan and filled regions is a generic annotations family which has been nested into the title block family. The visibility of the key plan and filled regions is controlled by yes/no parameters. This clip shows how we'd use a Dynamo graph to control the visibility of key plans and filled regions. Now we have the title block updated with key plans and filled regions.